Yes, ATWPM. Be ready. Start. I am afraid that if we adopted that attitude, then there would hardly be any association for us with any country because we have disapproved of something or other that country does stop. Sometimes it so happens that the difference is so great that either you cut off relations with that country or there is a conflict stop. Some years ago, the United Nations General Assembly decided to recommend to its member states to withdraw diplomatic representatives from Spain because Spain was supposed to be a fascist country. Stop. I am not going into the merits of this question. Stop. Something that question comes up in that way. Stop. The question has come up again and they have reversed that decision and left it to each member states to do as it likes. Stop. Stanza. Take any great country or a small country and see what this means. You do not agree with everything that the Soviet Union does. Therefore, why should you have representation there, or why should you have a treaty of alliance in regard to commercial or trade matters with it? Question mark. You may not agree with some policies of the United States of America. Therefore, you cannot have a treaty with them. Stop. Over.